polishing machine. This polishes glass up to about 25 mil thick. The reality is we handle mainly between 3 mil and 12 mil glass in this machine, but on special occasions we can go up and do things that thick. An example of something like that would be a mirror such as this, and this is a 6 mil mirror, and you can see how the edge has been finished. That's got a really, really smooth edge. I can run my fingers down that edge with no risk of cutting, and it's what you call a finished product. It's a finished edge. This edge is ground down and polished by that machine. The advantage of having a finished edge on that piece of glass is that it seals the edge of the glass. It heats it up and it finishes the glass, so basically you get very little, if any, water ingression within that, and extends the longevity of the life of that mirror by possibly about 5 to 10 years. So a decently finished mirror will last comfortably over 5 years, should go over 15 years, whereas if you do not have that edge, it will start to deteriorate within about 2 or 3.